that timing. I don't know. Cool. Thinking that may have been a regurgitated one. Sure. Realized my sound was off. Sorry about that.
CCL was kind of interesting to me this morning. APPS is interesting. TFI looks like it's going to break down. CCL has gone below this level. I'm not quite sure now. Fuck you, CCL. Create an alert. And we got to see what happens here. I got a bunch of alerts set. Apple had a weird drop this morning.
Did it?
Also PDD, big gap up. I kind of like it towards like 69. Short. If we can get up there. Yeah, Apple just tanked for some reason. And the SPY really didn't.
No.
So I'm not quite sure what happened there.
We'll find out.
Apps, PDD, and CCL. Watch this.
Here we go.
US markets now open.
PDD had a crazy spike right there, huh?
Yeah, I did not grab that. I didn't even unlock my montage yet. Jeez. That was a very quick buck.
Yeah, I mean, you would have had to have an order. We're waiting for it. Oh.
Yeah. That just was, you know, me in that first minute. We're not the best of friends.
Yeah.
Oh well. I move on. Let it set up now. CCL.
CLF is moving a little bit.
Who is?
CLF.
Oh, God, I haven't heard of that one.
No.
A long time. You still trading?
Yeah.
Alright, apps. Apps. Not sure what that's in.
MTTR.
That's good, man.
AA
Good morning, good luck. Yeah, sorry. I never said anything, did I?
You did not.
Yeah, I was kind of late sitting down.
No worries.
Yeah, watching CLF and AA.
CLF looking that good?
Yeah. Starting
Coming
to.
up at 10, Michigan consumer
look at it.
sentiment for November.
Kind of look the same.
MTTR could be interesting.
Almost $3, right? I think
Yeah. AA, I'd want much more out of it.
For sure. For sure.
Looks like it. I don't know. It might not be earnings. I don't. TLS.
The PDD is super duper choppy. Shocker.
China Vice Premier's son calls for more targets.
Just made someone AA.
Sold at Chinhua.
Gave me a bad fill when I got in, so got out for what I could get. 46.90, so that was actually pretty good.
What's this spy doing?
Kind of chopping. 395. And there goes PDD going up.
PDD's been a little,
Coinbase
tough of
falling
a
to
trade, I say.
46.25 before bouncing off the lows now.
Oh, let's sit there.
Charlie Oscar, India, November. Bitcoin futures falling under 16,000.
Excuse me.
BEKE up.
Nah. Lots of chop, man. Lots of chop. AMD just took a dump. Spy didn't really take.
MCW, there's no volume in it. but it's-
PSNY hitting
looks like
tops
it's gonna
there
halt
for a
up
fader.
by like a. It opened at 920. Now it's at 11:14. Didn't halt.
I seen today choppiness was possible, but jeez.
Order filled.
AMD just tanking.
Just took a
BEKE
starter in
miss.
TLS.
TLS starter. TLS enabled.
Shit extended. That's a freaking weird drop it had there.
Order filled.
Let the big boys handle that one.
Comp.
Pulled the trigger on TLS at like 480. Did not do it.
It literally went
Wanted to,
to my take profit. Dude, this penny shit. I'm serious. I wasn't even thinking it, but it happened again.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go.
it went through.
All audit TLS.
TLS dollar on way.
You called it before the 1 minute candle even made up its mind, Tim.
Bro, my take profit was at 29. It shot down to 30 and went right back up to 50. So 20 cents is nothing to shake at. Even in your world.
Gotcha.
And again, it's not like it gave me a second to try to get out. It just hit it and went right back
I
up.
guess, yeah, I guess. understand.
So I had half there, and I had my other half at 26. So when it made that flush there, it went to 28. Just saying.
That's funny, man. You gotta laugh, right?
I mean, that's all you can do. I mean, what else are you gonna do?
Right? Oh, something just triggered.
Gonna cry.
I haven't gotten a trade yet. I'm so weird. Apps triggered.
I don't like the way that's moving though.
Yeah,
Oh, Martin's going.
that one will be setting up for a long, not a short, in my opinion. AA is making a move right now. And but that's another one that could be.
Order cancelled.
Trade with caution.
AMC NTB.
If you want to trade it.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
If they're going to AMC, that would be nice if you have them, Jack.
I don't.
AMC is one of those that we sometimes have and we sometimes don't, huh? I do think there's one that Thomas is stuck on one for buying power issue. I remember.
TLS trails.
Hmm.
Carrot.
CBNA Carvana halted on a circuit breaker. $9.60.
Shop up.
Charlie Victor November Alpha.
Watching shop.
CVNA halted.
It's got a nice move, huh?
That's exceptionally low, though.
There's of Meta
Indeed.
popping here. 111.04. Michael Echo Tango Alpha.
Oh yeah, guys. It is a rough one.
Watch out. You're right there. Do it. Assuming you're waiting for the same thing, Thomas.
No, I started it.
Okay. You'd be okay with the nice pump up through. It's the only way I'm starting it. Or it can just work.
Order cancelled.
Need some on a firm,
SFET NTB.
but I exit. I got 10-cent slippage. Just had a pop and screwed me out of 10 cents on it. Sorry.
PSNY Trails.
Did you get in shop, Thomas?
Yeah, he's in.
Yeah.
And can't even tap me out. Now go. Keep going. 38.50.
Order filled.
Lock their TLS, pure leftovers there. Miss JWEL.
Something else just triggered for me. What are you watching, Jag?
I'm watching
struggling
QFin.
with that.
QFin.
Yeah. Apps.
Ufin.
Yep.
QFIN. I'm in.
Not in love with QFin at the moment.
No, I'm not in it yet. I'm watching.
BTA Meta shares keep moving high now. We're now up about 33 cents. Michael Echo Tango Alpha.
You in it, Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah, that might be a miss, but I didn't see what happened. It was just literally just sitting there with no volume.
My average is 47.
Oh, yeah. You were in before that move?
Well, I got into the top of the pop and then I added, but
Oh shit. When I pulled it up, it was already up here at 16. Well, there you go. It worked out. Damn, that was kind of a miss on my part. I should have.
WFIN dollar.
You know how they always say that when you see something that looks right, you shouldn't be hesitating? Well, I definitely did. That was my fault.
F yeah.
I got out right there.
Dude, I watched it go up, and when it literally got to the 90s, it
QFIN
just
dollar.
died and sat there.
Well, I wish I would have seen it go up. I probably would have got in. I pulled it up and it was already at the highs, just sitting there with no volume. So that's what sketched me out.
Yeah, there's my chart. But yeah, so I got in. My first entry was at 11.
Dollar.
Then I did again at 24, and then I added at 78.
LNT.
Then I got out at 28. So it worked out.
Prove it B.
Yeah, that's how I pulled it right up off the scanner. I guess, did it alert on the scanner before?
No, I
got to that?
pulled up before because it started to move up the chart. Because I start alerting at like 8. So I started,
Right.
it started going up, so I pulled it up, and then I said, oh, QFIN, and then I got in, and then my second ad, I added, and then it spiked 50 cents.
Yeah, the spike of 50 cents is what alerted it on the scanner. That's when I pulled it up. That's why.
Look at it now, I should have
Confused me.
stayed. Should have stayed in some, but I figured, let me get out, because I was a little scared there.
Damn,
First.
that thing just died.
It's coming all back. I guess I should have covered partial, but
Boom, all out.
I'm dead.
Give the
Yeah.
entire move back. How come I can't? Dude, I
Fuck off.
swear, the only reason that happened is because I didn't get in that bitch. I swear. I would have, if I get in that shit, it would have sat there at high day for like 10 minutes, just chilling, with no volume.
For sure. It was
For
100%.
sure,
The market's
100%.
out to get you, dude.
Dude, it is.
Market's out to get
100%.
you.
100%.
It is, dude. You
No,
were
it
right.
is. I know
You
this.
should
Why
quit
do you think
now.
I'm saying
You
it?
should quit.
Why do you
You
think I'm
should
saying
quit.
it out loud? Because I know it's the
You're in a
truth.
dangerous
CWO,
drop, bro.
take 2 shares, getting a little pop here. Hearing activist insight.
Watching COMP, if it can ever actually make a real move.
Sorry, I gotta screw with you when you say that stuff.
Looking at the company.
I'm laughing at myself when I say it.
I know you are. I know you are. Because you know it's not true.
Now the whole penny thing, I mean, how many times does it have to happen before it's just not a coincidence anymore?
Just you apparently either start these too early or you put your stop in the wrong places.
Oh, it's not my stop; it's my take profits.
Or your take profit. I can't help you with that one. We tried yesterday. I just told you I don't know.
In a court filing,
Guess I can make this a range.
estimated assets
Sorry
and
about it.
liabilities in the range of $10 to $50 billion.
Order cancelled.
Then on AMRS. This is for you, Tim.
Yes.
Dude, is that showing what I think it is?
What?
Oh, I
It
didn't
is.
mean it that way.
Dude, he ain't never done that before. Holy fucktards.
I just meant show me the chart. That was all I meant.
I just got a chubby, dude.
What's happening?
You don't want to know.
Yeah, you don't want to know.
You getting anything yet,
Run
Devin?
trying.
No, sorry, Bubbits. Waiting.
Looks like shop went and touched high a day and it's coming back down now.
Watching LU. Nice move there, but I'd like to see more.
I'd like to see it through too.
LU up.
Yeah, I got a good win on a QFIN, but it's making me nauseous.
I don't understand because he started it down where you did. I mean, I must have just straight up missed it on the scanner that first move. But like you said, I don't think it actually alerted.
It kept playing with the halt. I don't know. You might have jumped in it. It kept playing with the halt. It'd run up to the halt, bump it, bump it, bump it.
Wait, so it
Didn't
was
halt.
running into the halt and it didn't show up on 20 plus on the scanner?
Not
Correct.
Coming up.
Maybe it was a volume issue because the volume's not that great.
0.5 expected. for
I mean,
November.
mine's only set to 250K. It had more than that. At least when I pulled it up.
ELAN.
My alert is 948 at 1520.
Activist has a
It hit 21 on the
large
scanner.
position.
How much volume did it have then?
750.
Yeah, so. Well, that's what
Definitely
mine
not
says.
November, ELAN.
UFIN 747K 1539 at 948 and 53. Is that what you just said?
No. I got 948, I think. 948 and 1520.
Yeah, so that's weird.
But yeah, it was like moving up the scanner and then it was playing with the halt like Thomas said. And then it went down and then blew through the halt. And then did his little deal.
That kind of annoys me. I feel like I totally would have been in that. And the thing is, Brian said it when it alerted on the scanner. So like I pulled it up when he alerted it in the room as well as it being on
I
the
heard
scanner.
Jag well before I seen it on my scanner.
Yeah, so it's so weird. But I know, like Jack said, he's looking at them from 8 up. I mean, it is what it is. It's just one trade, but
Because because once they go to 8, if they start moving up steadily or actually fast, then you know it's something worthwhile. If there's nothing else out there.
yeah. I mean, I was cycling through charts. That's the thing. So I was actively looking at the scanner, and I never saw it. That's what I'm saying. That's why I was, but yet it was trying to halt. So that's kind of frustrating because I mean, as Thomas just said, like that's kind of what I look for. Was it at the halt price when I pulled it up? Because I don't think it was.
I don't think it was.
Yeah,
But
okay.
it tried to halt twice.
Before that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to say it was like 49-ish was one, and then in the 70s was another one.
Yep.
Hey, good morning, AJ. Good morning, Shastina. Good morning, Vincenzo. Good morning, Looney. Good morning, the Stock Explorer. Good morning, guys. Sorry, I sat down a little late and some of my stuff wasn't loading properly, so I was making sure I got it. How are you all doing? Everybody having a good day? Das has been doing some weird stuff lately.
Seb up.
At least we know Devin got in something.
I don't know what he's doing.
Or he's looking for something.
Yeah.
Nah, if he was just looking for something, he wouldn't have muted us.
Oh yeah, he will.
He could have been an act. He could be an
When he starts, he will mute us when he has to concentrate and find something because everybody else is getting something.
Yeah.
TSLA, Reuters says Tesla could consider exporting EVs from Shanghai plant to North America, according to sources. Tesla plan reflects a price gap between U.S. retail prices and China production costs. Tesla is studying whether China-made components are compliant with North American standards. Tesla could start China exports to the U.S. and Canada in 2023, that according to Reuters. Coming up, Michigan consumer sentiment. 59.5 expected.
I wanted 403. Is it telling me to go to 404 because of that penny? Just looking for the flush to retest 4, but I was kind of looking for the full attempt here, but I'll be happy with the 4 retests.
Shares of Elanco spiking to the highs now, 1304 on that activist rumor. Echo Lima Alpha November.
CVNA trying to make a decent move.
Yeah.
Alt's right at the yesterday's high.
54.7 on Michigan consumer sentiment.
It's going to come down. The SPY's dropping, so it's going to come down now. Oh, no, the
Consensus
SPY's popping.
was
Look at the SPY. That doesn't make no sense at
59.5.
all. Had a candle dropping to like 393.60 and pop back up 394.
Yeah, I saw that at the wick.
S&P
Take a look at
500 as well for year following that
AVDL.
data. Now at 39.65.75.
It's grinding up.
Again,
No volume.
Michigan
Yeah,
consumer
it's-
sentiment coming in well
Hey,
below
straight up.
Things up
expectation at
$1.50, no volume.
54.7 versus the 59.5 estimate.
DBNA halted today? Oh, there it is. 940. You're still in TLS?
Yeah, just leftovers. I'm just looking
Yeah.
for it to fade.
Elon is starting to push ELAN.
Where we in?
Nothing. I just was trying to focus. I just can't have all
You
the
speak
fun.
ALAN?
ELAN.
Oh, EL.
It's off the bottom.
Is that Elon's brother?
Yes. I didn't do this either, so this is not for me. Rocky went for sure of the day. No. I'm watching apps, APPS.
LUNG is starting to move a little bit. Not enough volume, really.
Lung?
Yeah, lung.
Alright.
I like
Know that.
more, but
LUNG, like my lungs?
yes.
Like, yeah, I just have never heard of that.
Me either.
Having trouble believing it's
Lung
an
daily
actual
is
size.
POO.
But the volume just, I mean, not like it's got a ton anyway. It just like died. It said, I'm gonna stop here and not move at all.
Oh yeah, it's got no volume. Man, that's way off the bottom, dude. Don't look at the daily on that. Good lord. And today was kind of a weird day for me so far. I'm gonna get something. I gotta wait for it.
This is the best day of the week so far for me. Not that it's a great day, but it's better than any other day. Could have been a lot better.
I should have wanted apps down here. Knew it. 1730s. So tempted on that one. Just trigger it. What?
CNBC reporting Biden administration stopped taking applications for student loan forgiveness. TSLA, Tesla shares getting a pop here of 187.45. Again, that report from Reuters that the company
TLS
is
is just
considering
grinding higher.
exporting EVs from the Shanghai plant in North America. That's Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
AA never really gave a pullback either.
This AGBA is silly. Look at the daily on that thing.
Yeah. That's weird, huh?
Like straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down.
You guys don't even have shares on that, do you? Because I know I don't.
No.
Not that I would touch that. I don't know what the hell it's going to do. Even though it could go straight back down to 6. Right as soon as it opens. Even though the inbounds is 10. 10.
Charts are loading slow. Oh, the internet's cutting out.
What's coin doing? Anything? Yeah. Going up, but I don't like
Today, man. Kind of thought today might be rough. Nothing that wants to do. Apps just freaking tank at the top.
Doc, good interesting. DOCS gets through 33.
Yeah, these jumpy days were good for your guys' strat. So good for my strat.
Well, Docs is $33. I remember when this thing was too expensive for me to even look at.
Yeah, we'll go over 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down a little bit, bro. I saw that this morning.
Order filled.
You think it's niggerific?
All out of TLS.
Did it stop you out, or you just get out?
Yeah, stop me out.
All out TLS.
Did I keep losing that connection?
B maybe? More towards at least 1075.
PACB up.
AA's pushing a little bit. Too high. She's green.
Watching COMP. See what it does here through 350. SSR. That's worth. And it's on earnings apparently.
Go on, but it never let me get in.
Yeah, I'm thinking 370-ish. Like right now though. Definitely at least 360s.
Started pack B.
Yeah, it's the other one I was watching. No offense, wanted that one higher.
Well, I wanted 1070, but then it started dancing around, so I said, okay, if it pops 50, I'll get it.
Yeah, the double
Started.
top is just what worries me.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold.
You hear me?
And I told him I
Yep.
know. Cause when I'm in your town,
Make sure it's not loading at all.
they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing.
And I can't even switch order or data stream mode.
And I maintain.
A touch M at 200 on daily.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream.
Still nothing on comp. It's a little grindy for me.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
I think I'd want it.
PACB gonna pass for now.
I just need
Too
the
slow.
fast. Yeah, I mean, that AA is doing the same thing. I think it's just grinding higher.
D, you watching AA?
He's gone.
Oh, he had to go concentrate. So I guess he still ain't got a trade yet.
A200 SMA is much higher, around $58.
AAPL, Apple at the high of the day up 28 cents.
AA in.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, you got anything?
I just restarted, didn't I? My truck's not loading. Kind of hard to trade when you can't see where anything's at.
Order
I don't
filled.
think it would have let me take a trade. Like literally nothing was happening on my just on dust.
Trying a little bit of COMP. Decent little move up, and it has not even attempted to try to pull back at all.
Oh, he's taking off. It's got to be freaking popping.
Time. The smart play was probably to ask David where his tap out spot was.
Guess I should have been a little more patient. I would have got a much better entry. I went pretty small on this one just because bigger company, earnings, all that good stuff. Dang. Wish I would have waited for that better entry. That would have been money right there.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Literally a freaking penny. It let me drag it up this time though, so that's good. I should have left with it. There was somebody big sitting there, 65 right in front of me, bro. I'm telling you, they're front running me by a penny. Did you see all those shares at 65? That was bullshit. And I was sitting at
see.
64. Oh, bro, it just stopped, and there was like at least 300,000 shares that went through at 65.
I sat there and watched it stop, but I don't know that shares are sitting. I guess
So you
that's
didn't
why
see
I
the
see it.
volume go crazy?
Uh,
Yeah, volume started rolling in because there was a big order there. That's what I'm
yeah,
saying.
I don't tend to
Shit's
look at the
ridiculous.
volume bars at the bottom when that happens.
I wasn't looking. I look at the volume number up in the
Oh,
montage.
okay.
I'm out of pack B for small win. I didn't get an ad.
$dollar comp. Sorry David, still ob leftovers for you. Beautiful VE there LOL. Yeah, still no clue what that is LOL. JK.
Freaking affirm. He's going up. Following SPY. Maybe go through 16, maybe.
Guess I should have just took the whole thing off.
I'll be right back. I gotta get a drink.
Obviously stopping out at my average. It's right where that previous candle is too, so.
floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and did away. I ain't f***ing okay. I ain't liking it, day. I don't even wanna talk. I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways. I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah. Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. Mind saying really not tame.
Did I miss anything?
Was I in comp when you left?
Yes.
Is still in it with leftovers. Looking for this $50 test.
I got out
Other
of
than that, no.
I got out of Pack B at the right time. I went back up. Another 20 cents.
Made it through the double top pretty well there.
Now if it gets to 11, I'll get back in.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping it went to 11 on that first move. No offense. I mean,
No.
I wasn't hoping. I'm not hoping. I was just saying that's where I would have been looking to start it.
Yeah.
Crude just off the highs now, 89.96.
Stupid COMP.
Uh,
Looked like it was going to break down.
$3
Sending triangle.
Yeah. You sit over here and you're like, man, I really like that thing to go to 11 because that's where I want to start it. I hope Jag has enough cojones to hold it up that high.
Yeah. Because that's the thing. It's like sometimes somebody will start something and I'm like, oh, that's not bad. But it's like for me to start it, I'd want it up here. And it's like, I'm not ever going to necessarily root for that. And I never do, actually. It's just if it does happen, that's where I would start it. And I'm never rooting for it to go somewhere.
I wanted to start it at 1070, but the way it was acting, I said I gotta start it because I don't want to miss the whole thing. Because I thought it could have really gone back to like
Waterfield.
1030.
All out of comp.
All out comp.
President Biden says, I apologize the U.S. withdrew from the Paris Climate Agreement.
I somewhat top ticked my exit there.
You made money on it though.
Yeah, it's me rooting for David.
Well,
He's not doing hot on this one.
what's his average? Do you know?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
He must have started a lot earlier than you.
Yeah, he was in this down at like 260 something.
Oh damn.
Yeah, his average is 334. Yeah, 334.
It's got to come to VWAP.
Yeah, it's gotta. I mean, to be honest, if it can not get through high of day, theoretically 320 would be the area you're looking for.
Yeah.
It's that previous resistance, which would work out, but it's gotta do that. And it seems kind of strong. I mean, it obviously formed a descending triangle and it completely ignored it. It said, no, I don't want to do that.
Thomas, have you not gotten a trade today?
I was just actually doing my snippets.
Making
I just
money
realized I didn't post
together is the
anything, but
idea.
no, I did get 2 trades.
Yeah, it
this
is.
I was saying, I thought he did, but maybe I'm losing my mind. Look at PDD. That's just an awful chart.
FTX former CEO Bankman-Fried says optimistic that new CEO Ray and others can help provide whatever is best.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer?
Bankman-Fried is going to work on giving clarity on where things are in terms of user recovery ASAP.
I tell you, it's got to be something along the line, like you said, we were saying, you know, not having trouble getting fills. That the fact that that had over 3 million shorts available.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like, I'm assuming he'll pick and choose ones to go bigger on based on the volume as well as the shares available. If it has both of those, it's a prime suspect for him to worry about. Yeah. I'm just mad because I didn't freaking see it. I feel like I totally would have traded it had I seen the move, but
Yes, if you'd have seen the move, you were in that. I'm gonna hurt your feelings and tell you, you would have been in it.
I just don't understand why I didn't see it. I mean, I was actively scanning through charts, looking at the scanner, and I just didn't see it until it actually alerted. It's frustrating.
Yeah, I didn't have it, and I don't do like Jag does. You know, has it up low because my 9 to 5. I only want to see stuff that I can trade, not watch something that possibly might go up.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. I do. Like, mine's set at 5. So, like, from 5 to whatever they go up to, like, that's, I can see those. I mean, I'm sure it was lower. Like, if it was on there, it was lower than other ones that I was scrolling through because, like I said, I was actively scrolling through, and then I saw he said QFIN, and as he said QFIN, I saw it pop on the scanner, and I was like, okay, I'll pull it up. But then I pulled it up, and it was literally just sitting there with no volume, and I was like, okay, I'll wait for it to do something. And then it just went straight down from there. So there was obviously I couldn't do anything about it. Yeah, I guess I could have chased it, but you know, I'm not doing that.
Priced at $11. That's Alpha Tango.
You know, you just didn't want to trade it because I mentioned it. So you weren't looking.
I had nothing. Oh, I didn't honestly. I didn't hear you mention it. So I mean, I
He
guess
was
that's part
doing
of
a
it.
lot of jibber-jarring. I think you and Devin was jibber-jarring when he mentioned it. I caught it though.
Yeah, I didn't catch it. Sucks to be me, I guess. It's just one trade. I'm not like upset about it. I'm just frustrated that I didn't see it on my own. Because that's the key, right? I mean, when no one else is here, you still gotta know how to trade by yourself.
Yes.
I think I do better when I'm not in here.
Bye.
Because, I get
Bye,
See ya.
Felicia.
Well, you guys don't trade the same things I do, so you guys distract me with looking at those. So I
You
gotta,
distract
not
yourself.
look at 'em. I do, by looking at them.
And say, we are not you. But you do a good job. If it distracts you, you mute us and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Trust me, I mute y'all jackasses all the fucking time.
Yeah, don't be all high, Thomas. You do it more than anybody. You're an
Yeah,
idiot.
guarantee.
Elon Musk responding on Twitter now regarding that Reuters report that Tesla is
I get
considering
distracted though.
exporting
I'm
China-made
super
EVs to
ADD
the
with that
US,
type of shit.
said that is false.
This shirt's moving, that shirt's moving. I'm all, what? Squirrel? Let me look at them all.
At least you did it. At least you did it, you're a squirrel.
I know I'm the squirrel, dude. I know. That's why I'm like, sometimes I gotta fucking stop doing this. Like, I just gotta look at something. I don't do good looking at everything. I do good looking at the few things.
191.28, 36 cents off the highs. TSLA.
Oh, dude, and I get excited when my scanner's lit up and I gotta fly through fucking charts and find something. Oh.
It's just not my personality, I think. I'm more focused on one thing type guy.
I can't say I was always like that because when it used to do that, dude, I was nervous as shit. Like, yeah, I was nervous trying to fly through charts and find something. Now it's like, yeah.
Yeah, but you're looking for like one specific thing, and I think that's like why that's probably easier for you. You see that one that's just way up there and extended, you're like, hey, there it is. I'm like looking for setups and like to switch through 5 trillion charts looking for something setting up, especially when they're just flying up high. That doesn't help me much, you know.
It's like walking into South American, how would you say that? Professional service house, and they just all lined up on the wall. You just rub your hand and get to scan them all. Oh, dude. Like a fat kid in a donut shop.
I have such a love-hate relationship with donuts.
I literally can't think about donuts because
Because you can't eat them.
I can't eat them, and I am highly attracted to donuts.
See, I am attracted to donuts. That's the love. Like, I see a donut, I'm like, I want one of those donuts. And then I like get 2 or 3 of them because I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna eat these. And I eat like half of one, and I'm like, can't eat more donut.
Well, that's the plus for up here because it's Dunkin' Donuts and they make me sick.
Yeah, donuts can make me sick too, dude. That's how I feel about donuts. They kind of are sickening.
I eat a Dunkin' Donut and I feel disgusting.
Oh, dude.
See, like we have a place down here called Tasty Donuts.
Yeah.
And they're better than like Krispy Kreme by miles. But dude, their hot glaze, that's like one in each hand because you don't want it to cool off too fast.
Yeah.
Even Krispy Kreme though, if I eat more than one, I feel like ugh, too much donut. My body like has a reaction. The brain tells me eat it, my body says don't.
Yeah.
That happens a lot with me.
Watching this GENI, volume's not great, but it's going straight up.
What are these stocks I've never heard of today?
Jenny up.
AT&T
Going straight up.
resuming IPO, resuming after a circuit breaker.
Very
halt.
slowly.
Something just halted? What is he saying?
Didn't hear him.
AT&T. Just
Share is
halted?
at $12.77 now.
Yeah, you don't want to look at that.
I don't think I do.
$13.37 now off the lows.
It's a new one. It opened today.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it didn't halt though. It just resumed, and now it's
It
closed.
resumed, yeah.
So it just opened, and then now it's been thinking about it. Yeah, it opened at 17, and now it's at
PPVG.
12.
Zach's blockchain innovators pick.
I don't think it's doing what they intended.
Yeah, the room's hard for me because I love talking
Triple
and I like
point,
want to hear you guys talk,
venture growth.
but then I get distracted and then I get
Shares hitting
FOMO
high of
and
$13.07.
God, I gotta
That's
work on
staying top of
balancing
Victor
that.
Golf.
Watching
Right, there's
COMP
zone out.
again.
Oh,
Is
just
that the $3
again?
one?
Dude, what did B
It's
call an
$4
hour
now.
at 450?
I think you just said 420, 450.
420? I couldn't find it.
Is David out of it yet?
Yeah, he got out on the 4 break.
For a loss again?
Yeah.
Oh,
He said
really?
managed trade. I do see 430, 450 as a fairly realistic
I don't know what
thing.
you just said because you were repeating for some reason.
Yeah, he was in around like 330. His average.
Yeah, his average was 334 or something.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he
Being
started
big.
it way early.
So
Well,
he
he
probably-
originally wasn't big, but I guess he built some size trying to get his average up, and then I was obviously never pulled back.
Ugh.
I was really hoping for 430s there myself to get started again, because this is starting to feel crowded and all that good stuff. But now it already
Never
tested
heard of that
4
one either,
again, so
comp. Another stock that I don't know about. Oof. Okay, I gotta pee.
BTU, if you're interested in a scoop, Jag.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
probably just because I had it up. Oh, yeah, I did.
Day overall, man. Like,
Oh yeah.
feeling the continuation vibes. A lot of this. I don't know why I chickened out on Beak when Becky, as Thomas always calls it. I'm back. I'm gonna
I'll be right back.
Is anyone still here?
Nah, we all left for the day. Later.
Later, bro. Have a good fake 3-day weekend.
3-day week.
3-day weekend.
It is for all the kids, just not us.
Why?
It's Veterans Day, bro.
No, my kids aren't off.
Your kids went to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, Vegas. Kids get Veterans Day off.
It's weird though because like all local government and stuff like that, they're all off.
Yeah,
So
all
it
the
makes no
kids are off
sense to
school
me why
in Vegas.
the kids weren't off school.
Miranda's home. Wife isn't teaching. Kind of
I'm wondering if it's
you
like a
guys' kids are in school.
Yeah, I don't know why. So I was actually confused. Well, first off, no offense, but I forgot it was Veterans Day. So when I found out it was Veterans Day, I was like, why? That was my first thought. I was like, are the kids off? I was like,
Did
why
you
aren't
just
the
drop your
kids
kids off at an empty school today, Tim?
No, I remember yesterday I said I'll find out when we go to the bus stop, and then
Oh,
everyone was
okay.
there.
That's so weird, man. I thought that was everybody gets Veterans Day off. Ah, BEKE, you're gonna do it, aren't you? I'm not gonna be in you. Heartbreaking. The government shut down today. Even the bond market's closed today. So anything controlled by the government is shut. That's why schools, you would imagine, would all be shut.
Anything happening?
I am. Never mind. I'm still alive.
Yeah, you made it.
Were you about to say something negative?
No, not negative. Just not appropriate for anything. Not appropriate for life.
For life? No, Timmy. Just
It may
say
have been
bro.
sexual, and it may have involved Jag's. What we were talking about yesterday, his entrance.
What?
What?
You were
I am
here
with
for
you
that
on this one,
joke.
Jag.
You remember the joke about the guy going to the doctor complaining about his entrance?
Oh, yes. I do
Yeah,
remember the joke. Sorry, I forgot.
I know Jag was here because I remember he laughed.
I don't remember that. I remember the rooster one, the four black roosters.
Well, yeah, because that. Of course you remember that one because that one was way better. That was actually a good one. No, it was a short one. It was this guy went to the doctor complaining that his entrance hurt around his
You up?
NASDAQ
What?
futures,
You know,
spiking here,
hole. Don't want to say them together too fast.
11,774.
And the doctor said, well, as long as you keep calling it an entrance, it's probably going to continue to hurt. And that's
Oh,
exactly what you did. That was exactly what you did.
I don't think he was here.
No, he was here. I remember his
That
laugh.
sounded like the first time you ever heard that joke to me.
Well, that's probably because he wasn't paying attention.
I must have blacked it out.
I remember. Well, I'm pretty positive you were here. I remember you being here.
Shares of Apple near the intraday high now, up about 1.1% on Apple.
Ugh, dude. The fact that I only got that one trade in today and it's almost 8 and it's freaking
Froggo.
Friday.
The Froggo's not even in here.
Hey, Fargo hasn't been here, I think, all day.
He came in here and set that up and left. Oh, what a
I think he
G.
does that. He does that on occasion. I was gonna thank him earlier for that. That's kind of nice. He does that.
It's kind of funny because it kind of makes DT pretty useless, huh? We should just probably kick him out.
Yeah, we don't need that dude.
He's not even good at telling us the news anymore.
No, he doesn't pay.
Because all he does is trade.
All he knows
Fuck,
about
he
is-
trades futures
He's not even here half the
or
time.
forex or what? What is he trading? Futures?
I don't know, maybe
Oh, Froggo's
contract.
here. Froggo's here. He's listening on stream. Yep,
There's
yep.
a Meta hitting new highs now. 130.
Oh no, we were just talking about how thoughtful you are.
6%. Michael Echo
Meta's
Tango
making
Alpha.
a nice run today, guys.
What is?
I don't know if anybody. Meta. Facebook.
I think they all kind of are, just because the spy's holding up.
Meta's just got such a
Dang,
beautiful
look at
chart to the
TLS.
upside.
You should just hold your leftovers until they fade all day. Sorry, that was me talking to my commenters sometimes.
Talking to you.
I'll post a
Those
chart and it's
commenters
like
on
I'll get
YouTube.
out. Yeah, I'll get out of and they'll see the chart and it like just fades the rest of the day. And they'll be like, why didn't you just hold until down there?
Like the stupid long I took yesterday in that freaking, I can't remember the stock. But yeah, he puts it up to Thomas and I'm like, see, this is idiotic. But I'm like, what can you do, dude?
Yeah,
Sometimes
I
you
didn't.
don't see it.
It's future.
I hear Jag say it almost every day. Ah, it's gonna keep going. I should have saved.
Yeah, there's a guy in ISW, not gonna name names, that does that all the time.
Oh, you should have held it. I mean, sometimes you see it and you do hold it, but a lot of times you miss it. And
Well,
you take
my
it.
my straight problem, and this is something that we had discussed the other day, is I'm not looking for the bigger moves. But if I hold shares looking for the bigger move and it has any sign of not working and going back higher, I am not going to let it go higher. So a lot of times I get stopped out, and then if it makes the bigger move down after I get stopped out, then so be it. It's like I tried. I was looking for it to just work right away. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Big deal.
I was debating on trading Meta, but I just realized it's 100% buying or shorting. Like, I ain't doing that with $100 stock today. I could see that screwing me up pretty quick. I don't like when they limit us, man. What are you watching, Jaggy?
Nothing. Cleaning my fish tank.
I'd like you to clean my fish tank if you know what I mean. You know what I mean?
My mom is telling me that there's a new season of Manifest.
There is.
I thought
I
they got
lost interest in
canceled.
that show, dude.
What
I thought it
show?
was too. Manifest.
I remember that show.
Dude, I just somehow like that
He's walking in
show,
now.
I totally lost interest in. Like it was kind of going good, and then I was like,
Just
screw
got to
that.
the hotel, so give me a call when you get this. Thank you, Morgan. Terry. Mr. Belmont. Hello, you're back.
They're going well, and then all of a sudden they go like really off on the side.
Well, yeah,
That's what it did. It just went
Yeah.
too weird. Like where I'm just like, ugh. All right.
But that was kind of why I liked it, because, well, they labeled it as sci-fi from the beginning. So
I know, and I hate sci-fi, but it wasn't sci-fi-ish in the beginning, and I liked it. Then it went stupid sci-fi, and I'm like, damn it. I wish I liked sci-fi. We could get into it.
And I didn't like the little kid.
I still didn't understand like what his role was.
Yeah, I know.
Like he
Wonder,
had
knows everything for some
the
reason.
only role he had was finding that dude in the forest. Like, but yet he could see all this crap and stuff like that. But it's like I feel like he didn't have any other role.
No,
It's like they were building it up to make it seem like he was going to be the key to everything, and then he wasn't.
Yeah.
You're actually not the key to anything. That's funny. Yeah, I gave up before. I mean, I didn't make it through the last season. Yeah, that kind of reminds me of that Lost show back in the day. Heroes. There's a bunch of shows that were like good in the beginning, and then I just like petered out on them. It was good in the beginning, Frog. I never finished it, so IDK, as you would say. IDK. I'll be right back.
There's a bunch of Oregon counties that are voting to secede from the state and join Idaho.
What?
Yeah, Oregon counties vote yes on secession from state. Oh, I gotta grab this call. That's weird.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you
Okay, I'm
see you
back.
got me falling in more times than I can get out.
I'll post in the room the article web address.
Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard.
Do you imagine Oregon deciding to be that small?
It's crazy, right?
I don't understand how does that even become a vote?
I don't know. I assume it must have been going on for a while, right?
So can we just be like, you know what, we want to be Pennsylvania now?
I guess.
Fuck Maryland laws. We just want to have all the Pennsylvania laws. I wonder if that's what it has to do with.
Maybe.
It's probably like something to do with taxes and crap. And if you think about it, if you're in Oregon, half of that state is like nothing. But then you have like the major cities, And based on those major cities, that's where like mostly all the people live. So all these, you know, counties and stuff to the right that are closer to Idaho are probably like, yo, like this shit sucks. We're paying taxes and all this stuff for your shit over there. We don't have nothing to do with it.
Yep. Well, yeah, that's probably what it is.
Hey, what's up in Nevada and Arizona? Why can't they get the count done?
Now you got me reaching out. Yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out.
Anything crack-a-lacking, guys?
No.
Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're
Other than half of Oregon that wants to become join with Idaho.
Do they really?
Yeah. I posted the article.
Is Idaho where it's at?
What?
Is Idaho pretty awesome? I don't know much about it.
Oregon, I don't know. They do not know the answer.
That is a state that I have never been to.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting
What happened to PDD?
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
PDD chart, I don't.
Huh?
I don't like PDD chart.
Kind of sad, and then I'm coming off of like a few really good days into a not so good day for me. A lot of things were just shy of what I wanted. And that's it.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got Wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
AMD just keeps going, and I have not traded that.
No, I haven't looked at AMD today. I see it now. Damn.
It's going to the moon.
Comp had a nice drop. Comp, COMP.
You know, right
420,
back to that same level.
373. Basically 50 cents.
BRB guys.
Market Dropen.
If you wanna save me, if you wanna save me, if you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, I think I should better run, because that's the end before it began. If you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna save me, I should better.
You coming for me? What's up?
If you wanna save me, if you wanna save me,
Singing it.
if you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, I think I should better run, because that's the end before it began. If you wanna, if you wanna, if you wanna save me, I should better.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Cold up.
Tell me where to go, what to do.
To another flow.
Tell me where to go, what to do.
To another flow.
And down.
Show me the stars. Show me the stars.
Get it poppin', put it.
Tell me where to go, what to do.
To another flow.
Tell me where to go, what to do.
To another flow.
Show me the stars. Show me the stars.
Get it poppin', put it. Get it poppin', put it. To another flow. Get it poppin', put it. To another flow. Get it poppin', put it. To another flow.
When their silence is loud and the demons are groaned, will you drown it out, or will you hear your voice against the silent night? What's it take to feel alive? We won't bend, we won't break. We're sick of death and being betrayed. Want a world that you made. See it all, we're not afraid.
Cold novel.
S&P reporting China 5-year CDs fall by 15 basis points from Thursday's close to 80 basis points, lowest since mid-September.
And you're left in follow. Will you let fear surround you, or will you burn their throat?
Dollar.
What's it take to feel alive? We won't bend, we won't break. We're sick of death and being betrayed. Want a world that you made. See it all, we're not afraid.
It's a credit default swap, China 5-year credit default swap. FTNT, Fortinet out with a press release says setting the record straight on competitor misinformation. Says competitors have been spreading misinformation and setting the record straight on that. As Foxtrot Tango November Tango.
Got that time to go make my salad. Be right back.
US and EU powers push the IAEA board to order Iran to cooperate urgently. That in a text reported by Reuters. UN watchdog probing uranium traces at undeclared sites.
I'm off the shit with my brothers. Keep lethal weapons and Glover. First make a young nigga thugger. You know best friend is a cover. Girl on me bouncing like flubber. Boy young with money like stunner. 300 a pint pour all summer. Shoot on sight if you fuck with my come up. Your boy got a license to start this. Shoot on sight isn't right, but we gunning. Sippin' Sprite pour all night at the function. Yeah, we bump 21, ain't no jumping. See the X and the X did the dumb shit. Said I rock one-on-one how I've done shit. In your eyes, see you jump if I smoke this. Bump an X when I flex for the youngin'. Your boy got a license to start this. Shoot on sight isn't right, but we gunning. Sippin' Sprite pour all night at the flight at the funk, bunk, 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 bunk. Pull up to the club. Pop that.
Hot, too nice is a setup. Drift out, head to toe, peep to get up. Said the young and be stunting in any sweater. You think you could do it better, but really could never measure. Got a Glock engraved with your name on it. It's a special design, this is a game for me. Tiptoed on the beat in Balenciagas. Dipped out of your crib in my Gucci floppers. Your boy got a license to stunt this. She gon' say this and right when we done it. Super spike all night, it's the flight, it's the phone. Pull up to the club. Pop that.
I can't do this right now.
Y'all fucking hit me with the
Been down the darkest road. Didn't think I could get out.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna actually eat in peace. I don't want to chew in your ear and make unnecessary noises. Starting to slow down. Stay safe out there. Have a good weekend. Appreciate all the support you guys always give me. You want to come hang out? Discord down below. Twitter's also down there in the description. And I will see you guys Monday morning. Appreciate you being here, and have a good weekend. I feel like I already said those things, but it's what needs to be said. So until then, peace out, my friends. One of these days I'll do it right.
Ghosts are all around. The ghosts are all around. Been down the darkest road. I know that it's true. So throw your dirt at me and make it look brand new. They all know my name. Not an easy shot. Turn these tears into gold. They shine like white flies.